it feel to be up high, sitting on top of a Model Y? This is the backseat baller saying my rap. Don't you know I don't take no crap. What's going on, everybody? Backseat Baller here. Have I got a treat for you? Yes, and I get to touch it, and I get to drive it. I met up with a wonderful man, Krishna. He is allowing me to do a quick video on it. I'm gonna get some interior shots. Let's get on inside and have a look at the beautiful machine of the beautiful Y right here. So blue Model Y, nice and spacious. And you have that extra room under here too, so this would be nice. Actually, if someone can make a drawer system, would be really cool for this. So, and again, as everyone knows, you are standing up higher. And this is what I was talking about. So you have a lot more space. Person in the back can put their feet all the way under. In the Model 3, obviously you cannot do that. So you can see here, of course, yeah, you got it. Backseat baller sitting in the back seat. So now your legs are up higher than obviously in the Model Y, but you can put your feet under here, which is another nice touch. In the Model 3, you cannot. Same with the middle seat. So I got a lot more room in here. But first note, the middle seat's very hard. So I'm sitting up higher. I feel very close to the ceiling, but when I look up, that is beautiful. There's no middle piece in here. Come and have a look at this. So that's basically what you're looking at all the way across. Full glass. All right, so now I'm in the front seat. Again, when I was talking about, you see, your feet are higher up. In the Model 3, even when I'm sitting, when I'm driving, can have one foot up, but your feet are a lot lower to the ground. So it is a more sportier feel in the Model 3. In the Model Y, it's a more comfier feel. Sitting up, again, very high up. Definitely that feel of SUV. This is it. View out of the rear is smaller than the 3. That's one of the problems that I had with the 3. Can't see through the back. The Model Y, for me, it's a lot smaller. The seat in the back, so that headrest pulls up just like in the Model 3. So again, a lot deeper, but I don't think it's as wide as the Model 3. I feel I can get a pizza box in the 3. So there's the automatic lift gate. Then the rear seat's got the button here. And see, it goes all the way down. So you have the room. The other one has a baby seat, so I'm not gonna put it down. But you guys get the idea. You have 2 spaces in the rear wells here, nice and deep. And on the left, speaking of the back seats, actually it's got the mechanism here. So I can push it, lean back, relax. You can hear the motor in there, so it's definitely motorized. It's not just a shifting across. And then to go back up, just push it and that's it, it goes back up on its own. So that's nice. So you can actually be leaning back and looking up a little bit higher. Now let's look under here. So look how deep that is. And look at this. This locks in, which we don't have in the Model 3. So that locks in, which is really cool because then you can do this hands-free, getting anything in and out. And it's interesting how they did this lip in here too. And of course, at a touch of a button, it goes down. So no hand show kit for the rear. All right, there's R3 sitting over there. And now we are going for a ride in the Model Y. So again, you can already feel definitely higher up. I mean, well, that's a given that it's higher up, right? I'm so used to the 3. I like being lower. Looking up at that glass, so that's beautiful.
Okay, because I'm thinking I don't see it.
This is not the performance. So it's got that pickup. Again, I'm not gonna force this car. I'm not gonna go to 100 because it's not my vehicle. I'm gonna respect that, but just to show you of the speeding up. Again, this mirror though, it bugs me. It bugs me in the 3 and it bugs me a lot more in the Y. You can feel more too of the openness because it's all open, so you definitely can hear any bump that you're going over. All right, so here is something major that I've kind of noticed. One of the, I guess you can say a flaw or like a dislike for me. There is no rear partial shelf. That's what I definitely don't like. So when this is closed, you remember, it's not completely, it is dark, but if I were to put my head here like this, I could see in. If I were to come to the trunk, I can see in. I really have to put my head to the glass, but if there's a criminal in general, that's what they're gonna do, and they're gonna be able to see inside. So if you have something that's long that you can't put into your frunk or into the trunk well, that's kind of so somebody out there, make something that can cover that back. So there you go. It was a super quick video on the Model Y. What a big update from the 3 to the Y. Again, you really need to be looking for a SUV type of vehicle in order to go from a 3 to a Y. As far as an upgrade, for me, it's not worth it. I like that sportier feel. I like being more lower on the ground. The trunk space, as I mentioned right near the video there, not having that partial shelf there, it's kind of, you never know, right? The frunk also very deep, but it's not as wide. Again, it's a beautiful car. Don't get me wrong. If you're in the market for a new car, then you probably want to upgrade over to the Y. If you don't have any Tesla at all, I think it's a great value for the price. But if you have a 3 and you're looking to upgrade, that's where I don't see it worth it. Again, this is based solely on my opinion, so take it for what it's worth. In general, though, like I said, it is a beautiful car. There is a lot of extra pluses in there. Again, I think they took all the basic issues or whatever problems we might have complained in the 3 and just put that into the Y, which is a really nice touch. The fact that it has 500 plus kilometers to that size and weight ratio of a vehicle, electric vehicle, to top it off, is amazing. Again, Tesla just keeps, on innovating and upgrading and updating and doing their thing. So gotta love it. Love Elon and the whole team for what they've been doing. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you click that notification bell to get updates on when I put a new video out. Obviously, you can see this channel has been more than just Tesla, so I've changed the name to it. I'm doing a lot of more tech reviews. So let me know in the comments below, is it worth to upgrade from a 3 to a Y? I won't be doing it, but for anyone out there that is considering it, there's a lot of things to take into consideration on their changing up. So is it worth it? Have you done it? Let me know. Thanks for watching. This is Mark, the Backseat Baller, saying catch y'all in the next one.